ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಎಚ್ಎಂ ಆಚೆನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇದೆ.
A Bengaluru man staged a sit-in protest after traffic was halted for the convoy of Karnataka Governor Tawarchand Gehlot, claiming his pregnant wife was stranded in the resulting congestion. The incident took place on Sunday and went viral on social media, triggering a debate over VIP movement and traffic restrictions in major cities. According to reports, traffic was stopped to facilitate the governor's convoy, during which the man's pregnant wife was caught in the jam. He then sat on the road and confronted police personnel, questioning why ordinary citizens were being inconvenienced. In the video circulating online, he is heard saying, "My wife is pregnant. Why have you blocked the signal? Just because the governor is a VIP, does that mean we are nobody? We also have work to do, don't we?" The incident quickly gained attention online, with users criticizing traffic diversions in Bengaluru, which already struggles with severe congestion, and highlighting concerns over delays during medical emergencies and urgent travel. The incident has reignited the broader debate over VIP convoy protocols in India, where traffic restrictions are imposed for constitutional authorities, senior leaders, and visiting dignitaries as part of security arrangements, but often face public criticism for causing disruption in densely populated urban areas. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salah Digital.
ನಮಗೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ.
ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಎಚ್ಎಂ ಆಚೆನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ VIP, ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀನು ವಿಐಪಿನ
ಬಿಡಿ
ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ, ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು